What's up, people? How's it going? Hope you're doing really well out there today. Welcome to this lesson. We're going to be breaking down another easy-ish Jamerson groove, and that is Ain't Too Proud to Beg by the Temptations. The Temptations are a great band to study if you're getting into Jamerson's style. They're one of those groups who always seem to kind of bring out a little bit of the best of Jamerson. He always played well, but there's certain artists, these guys, the Temps, the Four Tops, Marvin Gaye, Stevie Wonder, and a few others, he just seemed to give a bit extra for. This song is a great little hook to learn if you're just starting out. It's not the easiest, but it's also definitely not the hardest. So it'll give, a few beginner bass players out there, will give you something to work on for a few weeks, hopefully. So I'm going to break it down soon. We're going to play it for a couple of times and then break it down after that. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Okay, so to start with, we're going to be playing a 4-bar kind of leading line, and that comes in on beat 3. And you're going to start with an A note, that's the 2nd fret G. Okay, this is followed by the note G, which is the 5th fret on your D string. Next up, you're going to grab the 2nd fret D for an E note. Then roll your index finger across to the A string, and you're going to grab the note B. Now, those 4 notes follow the timing of 3 and 4 and. Okay, so you count in 1, 2, 3, and 4 and. Okay, so let's play that 3 times. Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, next up we're going to be playing a C major triad. We'll break it down into part into 2 bars. So the first bar starts with a C major triad. So hit note C on beat 1. That's the 3rd fret A. Next you're going to grab E to G. Okay, they cover rhythm of 2 and. So we've got, okay, that was 1, 2 and. Next up, on the 3 and, you're going to grab the 3rd fret D for the note F, and then the 2nd fret on your G string, note A. Okay, so far we got 1, 2, and 3 and. So let's practice that. 3, 4. Okay, now on the 4 and, you're going to grab C again, so it comes in on the off beat. Okay, so it's 3, 4, and. So including that note into the mix, it sounds like this. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're nearly done. So let's look at bar 2, and that will be complete. So place where you're going to play 2 more C notes, and they're both off on the off beats. That's 1 and 2 and. It's like this: 3, 4, 1. Next up, grab the 5th fret on your E string. Okay, the note A. That's on beat 3, and then on beat 4 and, you're going to grab a low G, and then the note B, which is the 2nd fret on your A string. Okay, so the 2nd bar sounds like this. Counting in 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, do you forgive the extra C note in there, if you spotted it? So let's put the whole groove together now. Okay, so you dust the main lines. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, now let's include the little leading line at the start. It's coming in after 2 beats. Here we go, 1, 2. Okay, so there is the line. Learn it and jam along with the originals. That's all you need for this song. Have fun digging. I want to thank you for all the support recently. It's been really, really good. I'm going to keep this going. For now, I am out. So have fun with Ain't Too Proud to Beg, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.